New at 6, a group of Southside High School students taking their science experiments where many have never gone before, into space. Now those experiments are back. Stephanie Cerna was there as the students got their first look at the results.
It started with something abstract. Can something like a fungus survive in space? The hypothesis from these students? No.
Why are opinions so important?
And today, these 9th grade students from Southside High School got to open up the contents of their experiment, which was on board the International Space Station.
I was really happy and joy when we got the space experiment back, since it took us months to research and also days after school. And for a thing this big to come back, I'm very excited.
9th grader Neko Jimenez says even though they just got their experiments back now, they started work on these last year as 8th graders. They had to submit proposals and compete with students around the world to have their experiment fly on board the space station. They were one of 10 schools selected, and their experiment launched into space back in August.
Even if you're in a small rural area, you know, South San Antonio, that things like this are possible, and to go to the international stage in the Smithsonian present, and then to come back and work hard this summer to get everything fine-tuned.
Congressman Hurd was on hand as the students discussed their experiment, which focuses on surviving life in space.
We're really excited to see what's in there and how many spores were grown and also how many colonies were made up in space.
And now that the results are in, the students will compare the results that they got back from space with the results from the experiment that they did here. The students say that should take about a week. At Southside ISD, Stephanie Cerna, KSAT 12 News.
Hey, I'm Congressman Hurd. I just want to say thanks for watching. Click subscribe below if you want to get updates on new clips. And I'm interested to hear what you think about what you just saw, so leave us a comment.